New kids and all the dynamics of friendships and all that kind of stuff that goes on at school. He does like that, but I think as long as we have kind of like flexi school and kind of just do it like that, that's what I mean. Kind of how I would do it. You know, and while the weather's bloody lovely, using the opportunity to disappear off to the coast all day, you know? Rather than sit down and bloody creatively muted. That's what I'm planning next week, my week of childcare. The weather's like this, we're off again. Go to the beach.
There you go, work in progress, you see. I'll put this on your Facebook later on.
Okay.
It'd be interesting to have a whole painting in real time, filmed, beginning to end. You know.
Well, I suppose, you know, with this technique, it could probably do it, you know, because it could all happen within, you know, 6 hours or something like that. You know. Bloody boring film.
I don't know. I'd watch it. You'd learn a lot doing that, I guess. Watching what you do. The sun is nice. God, it's lovely.
It's so well treated at the moment.
Makes all the difference, doesn't it?
Well, I mean, I just think about all the time I've been stuck in a classroom overseeing kids when the weather's like this. You know, all you want to do is just be outside.
Yeah, it seems cruel when you've had, you know, 6-7 months of, you know, grey torture. You get this kind of weather and you've got to be inside a building. It's just like it is actually torture, isn't it?
And while the rich squire